Scott Marlin. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to remove and reinstall a hard drive in a computer. This is a small desktop computer, and the easiest way for this is a very simple form factor. You take the case off, the side panel of the case off, and the hard drive's right here. So there's a pair of clips. You just depress those and it literally slides right out, kind of rocking on this hinge in the back just a little bit. Once you have it out, you just need to decable it. So be careful. Usually your data cables will have a stress loop to pull. Don't pull on the cables because you can break them and damage things, and you don't want to do that. So using your stress relief here, your stress loop, just wiggle it out nice and easy and remove it from any extra clips built into the housing. And you'll want to remove your other cables, trying not to break them, of course. And this one actually even has a cooling fan for the hard drive, so we'll need to decable that there. And then to remove it from the housing, this one has these little tabs, and this is where it's a little bit tricky because this is a pretty snug fit. You need to press these tabs and kind of walk it on out, and there you have your hard drive. So a little serial ATA hard drive there. And reinstalling it, or installing a new one, is just reverse the procedure. Install it into the mount. Very tight fit. There's one. There's two. Alright, we'll just back inside the housing, make sure it's snug, free of dust, and we're going to start recabling. And make sure we get all of our SATA cables and even this fan hooked back up correctly. I'm doing the fan last so I have a little bit more room to work with the data cable here. Alright, so you can see how it's going to position in that way. I want to make sure this cable stays out of the way, it doesn't get wrapped around anything for our cooling fan there. Set it back into its hinge nice and easy. It just kind of sets down into place. And that was how you install that hard drive. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions below, and I'll answer them as I see them. Everybody have a good day.